Hello, I hope you guys are all doing great. This is the nail art design we're going to be working on today. Let's get started. This is the brush brand and size I'm going to be using to paint my design. And this is what the tip looks like. I'm going to be using this green acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. It's called Leaf Green. And I'm going to begin by painting a triangle coming in sideways using this green color. And I'm just going to go over it 2 times so it could be nice and vibrant. Followed by this, I'm going to be painting a black French manicure, and I'm starting off by just painting the smile line going all around. Next, I'm just going to be filling in the top area with the same black color. And once I get to the triangle area, I want to be really careful to keep the triangle nice and clean because I want it to be very defined, very outlined. So I'm just going around it very carefully and just continue filling out this top area with the color black. Followed by this, I'm going to be using this green acrylic glitter paint. It's by Folgart and it's called Peridot. I will make sure to list all the colors I used in the description section. All I'm going to be doing with this green glitter paint is going over my triangle so that it could be nice and glittery. This paint goes on opaque, but once it dries out nice and shimmery. Next, I'm going to be using this paint by Folgart. It's called Autumn Leaves, and what I'm going to be doing with this paint is I'm going to be forming or painting the center of my flower. I'm just painting a rounded shape, and all around I'm going to begin painting the petals of my sunflower, and I'm painting them each in an oval shape. So I'm just going to continue doing this all around. In the section of the side of my nail where there's not a lot of space, I'm just painting the petals a little bit smaller. But it's up to you to decide where you're going to want to paint your sunflower. If it's in the center, you won't have this problem. So I'm just going to continue doing the same thing, forming each of my sunflower yellow petals. All around my triangle, I'm going to be painting a series of white dots, outlining it. And I'm just going all around my triangle doing this. Tiny white dots. This next step is optional. I'm painting my second flower, my second sunflower, and this one's going to be smaller. I'm starting off with the center, and then little by little I'm going to begin adding the tiny yellow flower petals. Because this is a smaller flower, I'm just using the very tip of my brush to paint each of those yellow petals. So I'm just going around doing the same exact thing. On the side of my big flower, I'm painting a green leaf. Next, I'm going to be using this glitter paint in the color Gold. It's by Extreme Glitter Folgart and it's called Gold. I'm going to be using this glitter to apply it over the center of my 2 flowers. Now to each of my flower petals, I'm going to be outlining just one side with the same color I used for the center of my flowers. What I'm showing you here, I'm going to be doing to both my flowers, just outlining one of the sides of each of the flower petals. Now in the center of each of the flower petals, I'm just going to be painting a thin line just to add detail to my flower. So I'm going all around just adding that thin line. To my green leaf, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm just going to be outlining one side in a darker tone green and then a thin line in the center. Next, I'm going to be outlining my French manicure, the line of my French manicure with yellow dots becoming smaller and smaller. And under my green leaf, I'm going to be adding 4 tiny white dots. Over the black painted area, I'm going to be adding 3 white swervy lines. Under the first line, I'm going to be painting 3 tiny white dots. And that's it. Apply your top coat and your design is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and try out this nail art design using your favorite colors. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.